Understanding renovation insurance, a must-have for your next project. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for homeowners and property developers alike: renovation insurance. Whether you're planning to upgrade your kitchen, add a new room, or completely overhaul your property, understanding this type of insurance is key. Let's break down what it is, why it's important, and how it can protect your investment during renovation projects. Stick around to make sure your dream renovation doesn't turn into a financial nightmare. Renovation insurance, also known as home renovation insurance, is a type of policy designed to cover the risks associated with remodeling or renovating a property. Unlike standard home insurance, which covers your home in its current state, renovation insurance provides protection for your property throughout the process of structural changes, upgrades, or major repairs. This insurance can cover a wide range of aspects, including but not limited to damage to the property caused during the renovation process, theft or vandalism of construction materials and equipment, liability coverage for injuries or accidents that might occur on site. Renovations can be unpredictable. Despite the best planning, unexpected issues like structural discoveries, weather-related damages, or even accidents on site can lead to significant financial losses. That's where renovation insurance steps in. By having the right coverage, you can protect your investment from unforeseen damages and losses, ensure peace of mind for both you and the contractors working on your project, comply with legal requirements, as some jurisdictions or lenders may require you to have specific insurance in place for renovation projects. Not all renovation insurance policies are created equal. It's important to choose a policy that matches the scope and scale of your project. Here are a few tips. Work with an experienced insurance agent who can guide you through the options and help you understand the specifics of what's covered. Consider the duration of your project and ensure your policy covers the entire timeline, from start to finish. Be clear about the value of your project so your coverage limits reflect the total investment, including materials and labor. Embarking on a renovation project is an exciting journey that can significantly enhance the value and appeal of your property. However, it's essential to go into it with your eyes open to the potential risks involved. Renovation insurance is your safety net, ensuring that you're covered every step of the way. We hope this video has shed some light on why it's important and how to choose the right coverage for your needs. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Happy renovating, and see you in the next video.